everyone, namaste and thank you for tuning in to Design and Creativity channel. So my dear friends, my dear viewers, today also I am bringing you a very beautiful candle making tutorial, and the ingredients for this candle making tutorial, guys, are just awesome. They are awesomely beautiful. Like you are seeing right now, what is in front of me is the leftover pieces of the wax when we create a candle. So these things happens, guys, it's normal. That here I have some long chunks, and this is one of my broken candle, and this is what I have is the leftover wax. Okay, and these are some other also types of scratches. So guys, basically what happens कि कई बार जब हम बनाते हैं कैंडल, तो कैंडल बनाने में एक नहीं कई अलग अलग तरह के आपको जो है लेफ्ट ओवर्स आपके पास में बचते हैं. जैसे कुछ तो ये है ही सही आपके पास में, इसके अलावा मैं आपको और बताना चाहूँगी. कई बार हमारे पास में कुछ इस तरह का गाइस वैक्स बचता है. कुछ हमारे पास में जो लेफ्ट ओवर वैक्स होता है वो इस तरह का होता है. जब भी हम when we make a granite candle or when we make a rock candle, something like that. So this is what the leftover wax I have. Now actually we can use it in another candle also, but what we have, if we have to create something new with it, so why not, we'll try it. Okay, so we are going to use these kinds of leftover pieces to create our new designer candle. Here I am showing you with this tall candle making mold. ऐसे and then so wick इस तरह से आपको इसमें wick लगा लेनी है आपके मोल्ड में. Very simple. I have already shown you कि wick को कैसे इसमें adjust करना होता है candle making mold में. So here I am using one of my tall and beautiful candle making mold, and then I'll show you how to make a designer candle of your own, or you can say it a luxury designer candle, by using these leftover wax pieces. Okay, so shall we start the process? Alright. Okay, so now we'll start the process how to make our designer candle using this all these beautiful wax pieces left over. So here I'm taking my mold, and the first thing I'm going to put inside it is this. Simple. Okay, just put all these chunks into it like this, and then you have to think now what kind of candle you have to create, what kind of effect you want to give it to your candle. Like you want to give it a granite effect, or marble effect, or plain effect, or layer effect, or a stone effect, or whatever. So just think about it first, and then start putting the things all together. So as you have seen that I have just poured the three long pieces of this what we call as chunks, long chunks, and now I think I'm going to put these small chunk pieces also. I'm just doing it randomly, and then give it a good mix, a shake like this, and then these pieces. This is insane. Hey guys, look what I found. So pretty it is. Okay, some white. Okay, so now it is done, and after doing this, like, let me try to show you how it is looking from inside. So right now it is looking like something like this from inside, and now what I am going to do is, this is what I have is my raw paraffin wax, and I'm going to melt it, and then I'll pour it over it. and then we have to wait for a few minutes so that it will get set, and then we will pour the next layer Till then we will decide what we are going to, how we are going to create our next layer. Okay, so I'll show you after melting the wax. So friends, this is what we are having here is the melted raw paraffin wax, and it is just a plain wax. We are not going to add any color into it, and this is what the mold is looking right now. As you can see, oh, we cannot see more into inside it. And now let's check the temperature of this melted wax with our thermometer. So as you can see that the temperature is rising. So the temperature is basically at 60 to 70 degrees, and now it's the right time to pour into the mold. So let's start pouring it without wasting any more time. So now we have poured our raw paraffin wax into the mold, and after pouring it, just wait for a while, and then we are going to add this. Okay, this into the mold. So what I'll do is I'll just take it in my hand and then I'll pour it over it like this. Okay. Just pour as much as you want. So now what I'm going to do is I'll melt this and then pour it over it and then come to you to show how a candle will look like. Okay.